tattoos and I have two persons. Can I be real estate?
Yeah.
I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or
There's
black.
nothing in the licensure requirements that asks you about tattoos or piercings. They don't ask you about your religion or your sexual preference or your gender identity or anything that's none of their freaking business. All you need to do is take the classes and pass the test and follow the rules, and you can sell real estate. And here's the deal. You can have tattoos up your whole entire face. Oh well, guess what? Some people are going to freaking love them. And here's the thing. Not every single person is your client, and not every single person should be your client. So if people don't like you or don't want to work with you because you have tattoos up your face or piercings, oh well, they did you a favor, because you probably don't want to work with those people if having tattoos on your face means that they don't want to work with you. They're not your people. People ask me all the time, do I have to cover my tattoos? Can I have this color hair? Can I have piercings? Can I drive a pickup truck instead of a fancy car? Yes, you can. If I walked in and the real estate agent that was going to show me property was dressed head to toe, super fancy, meticulous, and perfect, I would be so intimidated that I would leave. Yet, somebody else might walk in and see me dressed all casual and think that I'm not their person, and that's okay. As long as you are genuine about who you are and confident about who you are, knowing that there are going to be people who are not the right fit for you, the people that are the right fit for you are going to find you. There are people out there who need you. There are people out there who worry about if they can buy a house because they have tattoos. I want to show you an example of somebody who was scared to be his genuine self, was afraid that he couldn't make it in real estate, and then against all of his own limiting beliefs, he decided to give it a try. And now he's not only doing really well in his real estate business, but he's coaching other agents, and to me, most importantly, inspiring other people to have the freedom and the confidence to be who they are. And this is a guy, Justin Mercer, and he calls himself the Tattooed Realtor. He's got tattoos up his face, up the side of his face, and you know what he did? He embraced it. He celebrated it. He said, screw the people who are telling me that I can't. And people actually told him that he couldn't. When he said he wanted to get into real estate, people he knew told him that he wasn't professional enough, that he wasn't the right look. And he said, you know what? I'm doing it anyway. Not only did he do it, but now he celebrates it, and he calls himself, ready? The Tattooed Realtor. And guess what? There are other people out there with tattoos up their face who want to buy a house or sell a house. And guess who they feel comfortable calling? This guy. So be your genuine, honest, who you are self, because there's someone always out there looking to find someone just like you. And here's the last thing I'm going to leave you with. There are brokers out there who are going to tell you that you have to change the way you look or change the way you sound or the way you act or your persona in order to fit into their brokerage. Thank them for it and walk out the door, because if they don't accept you for who you are, they're doing you a favor by making sure you don't sign up for a brokerage that's the right fit. Now, that doesn't mean there's anything wrong with them. If they don't want you because you have tattoos up the side of your face or piercings in your eyebrows, that's fine. Maybe you just don't fit into the culture of that office or the look of that office. But guess what? That means that office doesn't fit your culture. You are an independent contractor. You are your own business. You have to go somewhere where it feels right for you. And I promise you, as long as you're not an asshole and you're a nice person and you know what you're doing, there will be people out there that want to transact with you no matter what you look like, no matter who you love, no matter what you worship. There's somebody out there for everybody. My number one piece of advice to you is be true to who you are, be genuine to who you are, because that's what attracts other people. That's what inspires other people and makes them feel confident to work with you. So go do you, let your freak flag fly, and go out there and live your life.